Christmas is my absolute favourite time of the year. So I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and, of course, a Happy New Year. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in golden days, happy golden days are yours. Faithful friends who are dear to us, they gather near to us once more. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. Have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Merry Christmas, everyone.